What's up, everybody? I've been debating whether I'm going to shoot this video or not. I probably got dirt all over my face. So you tried to replace your oil pressure sensor on your 350Z and your upper oil pan cracked. Nobody wants to drop this cross member or raise the engine or do any of that. It takes hours. And yes, for those who are going to say it's not a common issue, it is a common issue. There's forums all over the place of people who have simply tried to replace it, and you're supposed to do like 3 threads and barely even turn it, but it doesn't feel like it's tight, and you end up cracking your upper oil pan. You have to be very delicate with these. I did it, my first Z. I can't even drive it. I didn't even get a tag yet. I was in the process of getting a tag when I cracked it. Right here will be your oil pressure sensor, and then you can see I've already tried this. It worked for the most part, but then it kind of had a little bit of a drip. I don't like that. So the crack would run from here, comes around down through here, and then there's another one that spider webbed down. This whole upper oil pan would have to be replaced, which is quite frankly a pain. So I've cleaned it very, very well, grinded all the old JB Weld off. That's mainly in the crack where it was continuing to leak. So I'm gonna try, I hit it with brake cleaner and then a bunch of air. I'm gonna try it again, and I'm gonna use the old pressure switch that doesn't work with a lot of Teflon. I'm gonna put it back in lightly, then JB Weld everything. I've completely cleaned this tunnel out. There's no oil left. There's no oil in the car. And then I'm gonna redo the JB Weld, and then there's a sandwich plate that I bought to go right here to put the new sensor on, so that this won't be in use anymore. All this will be blocked off. So we're gonna see how this goes. Like I said, I just kind of grinded everything down, got it really clean, hit it with brake clean, then air clean. There's no oil anywhere in this vicinity right now, and I'm gonna JB Weld all this again, especially in this crack. I didn't get it fully in the crack last time, like down in this crevice, which is really hard to get to. I mean, look at my fingers. It's a tiny little place. And that's where it was continuing to leak last time. So I'm gonna redo all that and we'll see what happens. So you can see where I worked really well to get it in that groove. Basically I worked really good, got it in the groove, got everything on, then put Teflon tape on the old sensor and a little bit of JB Weld on the old sensor as well, tightened it up by hand, and then did like a full turn with the wrench to open up this crack, and then work this JB Weld again so that it should be in the crack. And this will take, I'm gonna give it like 24 hours to dry, and then I'll do the sandwich plate here, start it all up and see if it leaks. Hopefully it doesn't. I took a lot more time this time doing it, so we'll see if that does the fix. I hate that this is a thing with the Z's. I mean, I wish I was more aware when I did it, but I mean, it is what it is. The car's a project car. So for anyone else who's watching this because it happened to you, it sucks. I'm sorry. Hopefully this is a good fix. But if you like this so far, smash that like button. Super important. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead. Also, while you're subscribing, hit the notification bell. You're gonna need to know when I upload. Also, this car is a part of a Z build. Dad's doing his, I'm doing mine. We'll see what happens with all this. I hope it works. I'm ready to rip-a-reno this thing, so. I'm so ecstatic. It's been months since I've been able to drive this car, and even when I could, it was like half-assed. This is so nice. Finally getting to drive it.